Does it show it's recording?
It's a screen. Yeah, I see me.
Does it say it's recording?
There's a red light that is blinking. It doesn't say record, but red blinking light usually says it means recording. You say,
does it have numbers counting?
Yeah, the time is counting down.
Say hi to Chris.
What's up, Chris? You're aimed really far down. Like when you were just looking at me, you were only seeing like here. Now, okay, now what's up, Chris? Now you can see me like that.
Cool.
There's a little bit of difference there.
I set it up in the mirror.
Oh.
See if I can get the fuck out of here with that truck parked there.
Me more than I could imagine, so I waited till she slept and I stepped in the trap. Ran away from the backyard to drip some more. Woke up in Texas next to a liquor store with a woman who don't even drink alcohol. Big letters, irony tagged on to war. She was named for another flatland. We had a strong back then. In common, we had a bond that would never see the break of dawn. Too damn afraid of the queen trying to take the pawn. Threw that away, yes, headed out west. And got undressed with the nurture that she gave me, made me trip and get obsessed. There was a lady in Los Angeles that handled this the way the menu will suggest. She turned me on to music that I never heard before. She told me stories from a cup I haven't heard before. And I don't know what learning professional journals or perpetual burners scarring up the dirty floor. Found a hollow hole in the Colorado snow. It's like I followed any villain Elliot. Took a stroll with the feline. It sat silent while the snowflakes fell into the deep side. Can't let her dance up on the top floor. Been there, done that. What do you think it's locked for? I lost more to my traveling soul. We're not here to talk about interwoven through a New York cigarette. Ex-lover and a best friend, best lover and an ex-friend. Open my alcoholic sentimentalism and the rhythm of religion on the PA. Make the people here say, God bless the DJ. She stays to wait for a replay. Well, I wonder if I'll be able to hear it from the freeway. She's out inside of an empty bottle. There's a thin line between gossip and gospel. There's a house over there near Wicker Park where I found out Mark was afraid of the dark. Had to break a heart just to help me heal up. Tie a knot in the stomach just to help me seal up. And make sure the demons stay beneath the claw. Pray for you and yours and whoever you believe in more. Look around you, there's angels of all this stuff. Angels of all this stuff. And in the rain, there's some sidewalk cafe. Have a one cigarette in the ashtray. Just trying to find a lost soul to sing. And I'm a lost soul trying to find a lost way. Away in my suitcase, packed out believers. Angels exist. Even seen some sleep. I love this fucking and she loved me more than I could imagine. So I waited till she slept and I stepped in the trap. can't concentrate. I'm mouse on words, I'm so far, it's so good. What you think is solid, cause can't jump off and spread out to know that top, that's what plays all about. It's just not no conscience, no kindness or ill will, but the dreams they have make me sad because of the life of it will go to the fire in hers, and then it happened to me and my family. So now we're driving the RV bleeding flames to stay with the fire, surviving so home there is far hearted.
It's cold as balls out there. That ride was a little shorter than the last one that I failed on.
You didn't record that other one at all?
No. They recorded me stepping on Alice.
That day I recorded on where it snowed real bad.
Yeah?
I lost all that.
Good night, bud.
Yeah.